Hello everybody, today we are going to wash these dirty seats from the car junkyard. As you can see, they have accumulated a lot of dirt, a lot of grime, a lot of mold. They have been sitting on the rain for a few months. So basically we are going to try to restore them to the factory settings. We are only going to wash this lower part so we can make a comparison to the upper part, so we can see how much of the dirt we have actually removed. So we are going to start this video now. Look at the color of the water that we are extracting. It looks like coffee, but actually it's dirt that's been accumulating for years. It looks very disgusting. Probably some of you are wondering why I don't use the drill brush attachment, but no worries. We will use it, but also a steam cleaner, just to show a different techniques of cleaning. These are the final results. Water have a color of a dark coffee, which tells us how dirty these seats actually are. And now you can see the difference between upper and the lower parts of the seats. The difference is more than obvious. Did I manage to clean everything? Certainly not. These seats are more than 30 years old and they are from car junkyard, and some spots are permanent and they cannot be removed. But I think that we managed to clean the majority of the dirt and I'm happy with the final results. Please leave a comment. Do you like the final results? Are they good or are they not good? Leave a comment, leave your impression of our work, and thank you for your support. Goodbye. See you on the next one.